me show y'all something. This one got a hole in his rip, so I was leaking oil. That's all that around his rim. So I went to the dealership that work on my trailer, the Freightliner dealership I normally use. They didn't sell them. Went to O'Reilly's where I normally get supplies at. They didn't sell them. I had to go to this axle place that work on trailers called Tiger Axle, and they had like $3. The guy actually gave them to me. So anyway, all my oil leaked out. So when I took that seal off, nothing even came out. So let me just add some. Yeah, you know, I'm not a mechanic, so I asked the guy like how much I need. He said enough to the point where it's about to start coming out, but it actually doesn't come out. So you can see the oil. It was pretty freaking low. Keep draining down. I want to make sure I got enough. I don't want no mishaps. Alright, I think that's good. Got my new seal. It's good. Just shove it in there. There's my oil pan. That 3/8 Ranger fit right in there. So I'm gonna pull the plug out and go from there. Now which way? This right, this left. Oh shucks, am I going the right way? Right in time. Alright. Yeah, this the right way. That's some black oil. Man, it's filling this bucket up fast.
We cleaned up?
Shit, I ain't messing out of it yet. Just finna thought it was supposed to be a gasket on this thing. Let me see. Oh, this is it right here. Okay. Yeah, it's got
the new ones will come with a.
Yeah, I thought the last time I bought it, it was.
Just make sure you take
I
some of this new oil.
rub some of that oil around the top.
Just rub it, just get it
I
real
need
good.
to put it halfway in there first.
Shit, I accidentally just started my truck.
I seen. Alright, so, alright, I'm back. I gotta put my oil filter back in there where it goes. So, I'm gonna get ready to put it in there. You gotta put it in there like sideways. I ain't gonna be able to hold the phone to do it, so I have to sit this down.
Sorry. Give me step towels. All three plus that 1 quart, huh?
Yeah.
I got
Like
it.
this
Sorry, dude. I just put this in. I keep all of it I can off of your motor so it'll just sink for a while. Burn it off. Right.
I'm gonna change the oil filter tomorrow. I mean, the freaking air filter tomorrow. Let's put it away.
Yep.
I'm changing the fuel filters in the morning too. I ain't about this before. So, I just forgot. You gotta loosen this up.
How loose?
You just do like quarter turn on it.
I did a quarter turn on.
Alright. Well, do like a half turn then. Alright, that's probably good then. Quarter turn. So this yellow thing right here, do a quarter turn. Then you can release the pressure, then you can take this big cap off. What's up? What ain't doing that? Oh, let me call B White. Oh. So me and my dad's a partner working on this.
Push it down.
It ain't moving, huh?
Alright, hold it down.
I'm holding it. Oh, I might be able to get to it better.
Cheater probably won't.
Man, it wasn't as hard last time. That freaking fuel filter kicked off butt, bro. So, O'Reilly's did not have Mopar. So, I had to go with this Micro Guard brand. Did you take the filter out? I don't remember turning it last time. I just remember just pulling this sucker out. I wonder why it ain't just popping up. There it is. Woo, there's a lot of fuel in there.
Chief's in the house, Chief's in the house, come see us.
Oh, here we go.
Jesus, daddy.
Chief in the house. So kind of dirty. Put the new one on. New one? It's the old one. And just so y'all can see where I'm located, these are my rear wheels. And there's my other fuel filter. So, got disconnected blue cord there. Unscrew it. I don't remember if I unscrewed that thing at the bottom and fuel leaked out last time. I don't remember, but I'm about to figure it out as it goes. So I got fuel draining up. Just unscrew that little thing. Unscrew that and the fuel come up. So we just have to go buy this filter wrench, because I couldn't get the fuel filter off up on the truck. So, alright, back to my workstation. Let's go the opposite way. Let's tighten it. I need to loosen it. Whoa, 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 whoa. God dang it. Where's the filter? So in this package, it was this one and this small one. It's the new one. It's gonna go on here. And the small one is gonna go on here. Alright. That's good enough for me. Sucker leaking. Oh shit. Oops. Not tight. See? I should have checked it. Alright, it shouldn't leak now. So, got my fuel filters on, so I'm just gonna prime it. Gonna turn it without turning it all the way on.